Welcome to Aircraft Researchers Group. Thank you so much for joining us.
AIN Media Group recently acquired Aircraft Researchers Group, and they are celebrating tonight in Las Vegas. We are going to get the chance to speak with Mackenzie Messier from Aircraft Post and ARG, and also get to speak with some of the members of the ARG community.
So the Aircraft Researchers Group stemmed because we found that coming to Vegas, going to NBAA, whether it's in White Plains or down in Orlando, there was a lack of getting researchers together. There's events for the insurance companies, there's events for brokers, but like the research was really lacking. So we found, we started very small. We just had a dinner with a couple different researchers, and we've really grown. I think we've got about 115 people here tonight. We offer coffee talks monthly where people are able to log into Zoom for an hour, and we bring in a speaker to talk about really anything in the industry. We've had Gulfstream, we've had Rolls-Royce, we've had insurance companies, finance companies. So just kind of bringing a little bit of the industry to the researchers.
Okay, and then are they able to sort of talk to each other and network with each other? I know you're doing that tonight.
Yes, so tonight is our in-person networking event, which is just like the best night of the whole year for us. But besides that, we do have a WhatsApp group with about 100 members. In that group, you find people often saying, hey, I'm not usually in the citation market. Is anybody in the citation market and can help me out? Or, I have an off-market Falcon 2000. Like, can anybody help me in that market? So our WhatsApp group has really created an awesome conversation for researchers to join in on.
Yeah, and that's such a community, and that's so nice for people to be able to.
We have absolutely become a big community. So for 2026 with ARG, we are really looking forward to continuing to grow. We've introduced a quarterly newsletter so everybody can stay in the loop. In that newsletter, we're going to spotlight new researchers with new companies and kind of just introduce people into the community. Our newsletter will also keep people posted with upcoming coffee talks, upcoming events. We're really hoping to start doing things more regionally in smaller groups. So if a small group of researchers is going down to Orlando for an event, we're going to try to sponsor them and buy all those researchers dinner so they have an opportunity to sit together and eat and just discuss work and network. And with that, we also have our ARG directory coming out right on our website, aircraftresearchersgroup.com. You can join the directory, and once you put your information in, you get kicked back with who else is in the directory. That offers, what type of markets they're in. So if you want to look for somebody in the Embraer market, you can look on our directory and find some help in there.
ARG is a group of people that have been in the industry. They know everybody, they connect with everybody, and that as a researcher is a key component. It's about relationships.
This business is all connections, right? So first of all, with events like this is just putting faces to names with people you're working with every day, talking to. In the research game, it's all data sharing, and you gotta be friends with people, right? And if someone doesn't like you, they're not gonna share numbers. That's why people pay us to sell or buy their airplanes. It's the data, really, right? So if you're friends with all the other researchers that you're doing deals with, they're gonna give you real numbers, what's selling, and that way you have better data for your company to go out and provide a very valuable service, very expensive service to these owners of these airplanes to get their airplanes sold, right? And so all this connection that you get through ARG is really helpful. It's lifelong friendships you make with people, and there's people I met here 4 years ago that I was on a Gulf ship last week.
Research in aviation when it comes to aircraft sales is such a big component. That helps an owner to figure out what their aircraft is worth. It also builds connections with the sales team and the researchers and also the owners in an overall general area. They don't know who we are, but we support all the salespeople. Without the research, you have nothing. You're pulling AI or ChatGPT, what is my aircraft worth? Without really knowing the components of the aircraft. What is the cockpit? What is the paint and interior? What is the last time the maintenance was done? Is it due? Is it due for an overhaul or anything like that? This is what we do. We gather all that data and we feed it to the sales team that can make an educated decision on this is what my aircraft's worth or this is what I should buy an aircraft for.